What do you do when you're sitting around watching trading shows and trying to make a living? Well, I don't know. I just enter a trade every once in a while, and catch a few reversals. Trying to tick up to the high of day here on this one. Got 35 seconds for this candle to be done. Yes, this is real time. There's a time you can see 12:13 on this beautiful Thursday day at the beach. We're at the beach. And yeah, just have my hydration. Sitting at the homestead at the bungalow. See if we can't hit that double top there. Don't go that way on me. Just riding a little wave there. About 18 grand invested. There we go. She's ticking our way. Well, a couple big moves there. That's a pretty big move. I think I'll just close it out. He's pulling back on me. Let's just go ahead and take off this one trade. All right. Looks like we got out about 2 grand there. Now we're just going to wait for that pullback. That's what you do when you're trading, right? Wait for this pullback. Not really wanting to focus there, is it? The lighting not exactly right, I guess. Going to keep 18 in there. We'll probably could go to 20. Got a little pullback right there. Say that. Got a wicking candle here. Red, white, and blue moving averages. That's your 5, 10, and 20 exponentials, more heavily weighted in the recent candles. Putting in a nice tail. So got about 18 seconds on this candle right here. And we'll just wait for this candle to fill. See what our next candle is and see which direction I want to go. I think that was just a little pullback. Got me there. I say got me. I was up to 5 grand in profit. Got a little greedy. Should have took it on that tail. There's your new candle. Not wanting to go long just yet. She opened and printed down. So for scalping, that's not a long situation, but you can't go against the uptrend here. So you still got to wait for confirmation. There's my confirmation. She broke the previous candle's high. Now let's see how much money we can make on this one before we close it out. There's 500, 900. There's 2,300, 2,200. I'll just take 2,100 there. So that's, I think that's right about $4,000 in 2 trades. That's 2 minutes and 27 seconds. I just came over here to just like, hey, can I just fill my laptop? Hey, there's Cronus the Schnauzer. What you doing, old man? Beautiful haircut you got yesterday, doggy. So anyway, that's how you can make 4 grand in about less than 3 minutes and show everybody a picture of your dog and of the palm trees down here at South Florida. Come on, old man, jump up there. Come on, buddy. I was in his way a little bit. We got to wait now. You're the star of the show, buddy. There you go. 14 years old, everybody. Look at him. He's a champ. Can't hear anything. That's a shame. Anyway, everybody who might be interested in trading, you should become a human button pusher like me and let AI do all the heavy lifting, telling you what direction, what the trend is, even drilling you all the way down into very small time frames so you can make a little coin. You just see me make 2 trades right there. Not going to take any more trades here just for a second because my ashy candles over here is showing a little bit of volatility with up and down tails. And then this is my VIX right here. And look at that VIX up, down, up, down, up, down. So we're losing that steadier momentum. So we're just going to have to wait here. I'll wait for a few minutes, maybe wait for a 5-minute candle to close, like 3 more minutes. Yeah, a little bit too much top and bottom tails. And the price action is a little too far away from the red, white, and blue, the Patriot EMAs. 5, 10, and 20 is what we use the most over here at AI Trading Futures. So anyway, let's just let that resolve itself. The body is showing you where the price action is. The price action is all the way at the top of the previous wick. So would hate to take that and chase along. And since we're in a nice uptrend, we do have the red, white, and blue. That's the EMAs being stacked correctly, although that's a lagging indicator that worked pretty well. We do have a nice bright red candle down there on the Saratoga. I don't know. Maybe in the next video I'll come back and see if we can't get that above 5,000. Having a heck of a week here, 120-something thousand for the week. Had a $300,000 quarter, January, February, March. Hope everybody goes to AI Trading Futures, where I'm just the HBP. I'm a human button pusher. I'm trying to even get that workload down with automatic trading, not bot trading. Bot trading is different, illegal or frowned upon in a lot of places. But having them basically tell you, let's enter now, let's exit now, is what can happen with your AI. That's Grok, GPT, Perplexity, and Gemini in the house with me, Jim Daniels.